Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. For the fourth consecutive week, all categories of fuel will decline. The decrease takes effect tomorrow. Some categories are seeing their lowest in months, while others since January. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $4.50 less, their lowest since the third week of January. Diesel, ultra-low sulfur diesel and kerosene will also go down by $4.50. $1.02 will be cut from the cost of propane and $1.38 from butane. JAMPRA says the Invest Jamaica conference is a multi-million-dollar spend. In an interview with TVJ News, JAMPRA President Dan Edwards said the conference put on in conjunction with the Inter-American Development Bank was worth it.
In terms of cost, you're talking in the 60-70 million Jamaican dollars, because you're not only getting the event, you have to do the decor, you have to do the TV screens, you have to do the whole production, and everything has to be of a very high level. I don't think people understand how difficult it is to stage this kind of conference, because it's almost like doing a party, but a party with people from overseas. So you have to target investors. We don't just invite anyone. We actually go out and target investors, and part of the preparation is researching projects that we want investment in, private sector projects, and getting them packaged in a form that are ready for investment.
She adds that work will continue beyond the conference.
So where we go from here now is we sort out at the end who has collected what cards, what does that represent, what discussions have we had, and how do we follow up and make these investments real.
The United Nations Economic Commission for Latin America and the Caribbean is calling on regional countries to use foreign direct investment FDI to boost development. FDI in the region rose by 40.7% in 2021 but did not return to pre-pandemic levels. According to the Commission's annual report, in 2021, Latin America and the Caribbean received $142.7 billion in direct investments. The JSE Index gained 6,417 points today, while the Junior Market Index rose by 87 points. Among the winners, Margaritaville Turks, Spur-Tree Spices Jamaica, Access Financial Services, Kingston Properties, and Jamaica Stock Exchange. Losers were led by MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US dollar shares, Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, First Rock Real Estate Investments, Caribbean Producers Jamaica, and Mayberry Jamaican Equities. The US dollar is being sold for an average $154.71. $113.48 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $184.49 for the pound, while it's costing an average $164.21 for the euro. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.